Okay, so today is 11th August. I have a few plans. I'm gonna go to the supermarket to grab a few things, and then I'm meeting a friend later just to hang out. I don't know if I'll bring you guys with me later, but yeah, it's a brand new vlog. I'm trying to connect Bluetooth.
今日は8月11日土曜日です。
Let's see if I can connect. I need to put you guys here for now. I'm trying to connect
ETC
Bluetooth.
カードが挿入されていません。
I hope the Bluetooth connects because I'm trying to jam to a few songs.
ETC カードが挿入されていません。
Okay, so I just left the supermarket and this camera keeps on moving. I don't have a mount for it, so I need to drive slow. Is there any bump moves it. See? You can't move it. God, I have to keep holding this, otherwise it's gonna keep moving. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna go home, get ready, take my nephew to go play, I think, and then just go see my friends. But I don't know what else I'm going to do, to be honest. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm in the house. Hey guys. So good morning. So today's the next day. I'm feeling so tired. I don't know, I've just had like a shitty weekend, and by weekend I mean Friday and Saturday. Like both those days were like just bad days for me. I don't know, I've just been in a mood. I don't know. Anyway, let me not think about that. Let's just move on with it. So I wanted to recreate a drink that I really like. One of my favorite drinks is the Java Arnold Palmer's drink. It's like the part iced tea, part lemonade drink, which I absolutely love. That's like one of my favorite drinks from Java. So I thought, let me just recreate that. I had that yesterday. Did I get that yesterday? Yeah, I did have that yesterday. And I thought, let me recreate that. But instead of using regular tea, I'm going to use one of my favorite teas. It's like the Kiricho Gold Passion and Lime. I think this is my favorite out of the line. This and the peppermint one, but I think this beats everything. I don't know. Some people say it tastes like medicine or it smells like medicine, but I say it tastes phenomenal. Now, what we're gonna do, I already have, we're just gonna make the tea, let it steep and cool down while we make the lemonade part of it. You get me? So that's what we're gonna do. I have a cup that it actually comes in. I have a little sugar in here because they usually use like sweetener, and I don't know what to make with that. So if it's not sweet enough, we're gonna add honey. God, let me just take this off. I'm practically still like in my PJs, so we're gonna let this steep kidogo and then have it cool down. I'm gonna put this in the fridge while we fix the other parts. Alright, time for making lemonade. So since we have our tea getting ready, I don't know why I'm so far away, but the camera's up there, so you guys can see. I'm gonna cut up some limes. Are these lemons or limes? These tiny ones. Lemons. We don't have the imported ones. Oh, these are lemons. We don't have the imported ones, so we just have these. Since it's a DIY, you don't have to have the exact. This is like my favorite part. Okay, watch. This makes everything easy. Okay, quick interface the honey to this, because the sugar I seemed to add wasn't enough and we need this to be sweet. So there we go. I hope this thing tastes good, because I'll be disappointed. So it's time to assemble the drink. The moment of truth. We have our lemon here, our chunks of ice. These are like frozen in the fridge. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in a cup. So we're gonna put the lemon juice in the, it's just like straight up lemon thing. And then we're gonna top it off with like our passion tea on top of that. Oh yeah. Oh, I should have. I mean, I don't hate pulp, but it would have been better without the pulp, right? That was a lot of lemon. Okay. Okay, so we made a mistake. It wasn't supposed to be direct lemon juice. It was supposed to be lemonade. So it's so lemony, like I can barely taste my tea. That sounds disgusting. I'm mad. Oh, I was looking forward to this. It's so lemony, it hurts. Like I'm so mad.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
The tea just disappeared. Like, what the hell? Okay, that sucks. I'm so mad. I'm so annoyed. Like, it's so sour. My taste buds, my throat can't handle all this lemon. This was a fail. I'm so... How can I fail making a simple ass drink, man? It barely needed like 3 ingredients. Barely. I'm so mad at myself. Well, what a start to a Sunday, right? Happy Sunday! So, I just wanted to talk to you guys a bit. I know you guys have been wondering, like, where the hell are those 20 videos every day? And to be honest, I don't know what's wrong. You know, sometimes the way you could be like in a funk or that, I don't know, I've already like explained this, but I thought giving myself this challenge of uploading like a video every day would push me and motivate me to post a video every day and to just get out of my funk. But to be honest, getting out of this funk has been so hard. I thought I was out of it, you know what I mean? I thought I took enough time, but I haven't, so I'm just slowly getting out of it. And then I'm just, I can't even explain, you know what I mean? Yeah? Plus the Wi-Fi has been so horrible. Can we just talk about Zuku for a second? Like, can we just talk about how shit customer service is? Like, there's, like, I'm so annoyed. Today's Sunday. I think I'm gonna go get brunch with Ashley later. You guys know Ashley, you've met her in my previous. So what was I saying? I think I'm just to get myself out there, to be honest, I think I'm gonna go get brunch with Ashley later. The lighting is like changing and I'm sitting in front of like a giant window, so I don't know what's up with that, but yeah.
Back.